Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApps on iPhone with different numbers. So guys, if you want to use two WhatsApps on iPhone with different numbers, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open your App Store and search here for WhatsApp business. So guys, search for WhatsApp business, and after this you have to simply download and install WhatsApp business on your device. So guys, do this, and after this you will be able to use your second number on this website to use WhatsApp. So guys, you can see this, you can easily get this app to register your second phone number for WhatsApp usage. So guys, the first way is this, and the second way is that you have to simply download and install the WhatsApp web application on your Apple device. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply search for WhatsApp web. So guys, simply search for WhatsApp web, and after this wait for some seconds, and from here you have to simply download and install this WhatsApp web dual messenger on your device, and after this open this app. So guys, you have to simply scan your WhatsApp here to use your other phone number on WhatsApp. So guys, you have to simply create your WhatsApp on any other device, and after this you have to simply scan that website with this app, and that will work here as well. So guys, these are the two ways to use dual WhatsApp on your iPhone with different numbers. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.